sugar. And we want to caramelize that since we're not using honey. Golden brown. Let's add these beautiful peppers in. It smells so good. You guys, it's garlic and ginger. I'm gonna add ketchup. But so I have this on high to get it going, but now it's at medium heat. And ketchup always gives it that nice sweet and sour. And at the end, we're gonna add some sesame oil. Oh my gosh. You want to add it late in because it'll cook off. Red pepper flakes. Ooh, this gives it a really nice color and a really nice taste. It's not too hot, but if you add a lot, it will be. And last ingredient is soy sauce. And we're ready for our chicken. Right, toss it around and you're done. This Korean chicken wings is on its way to my mouth. I can't wait. It smells so good. And if you have some red peppers, even put that in. Give it a nice color. Because when I eat with my eyes first.